Simple and delicious Nariyal Ladoo coconut laddu recipe. Open coconut Nariyal Ladoo recipe. Clock face 3 o'clock, prep time 5 mins. Cook time 15 mins. Fork and knife with plate, servings 10 to 12 laddus. Ingredients: 2 cups grated fresh coconut or desiccated coconut. 1 cup condensed milk, milk-made or homemade. 2 tablespoons ghee, clarified butter. 1/2 tsp cardamom powder. Chopped dry fruits optional, cashews, almonds, raisins. Extra coconut for rolling optional. Instructions: 1. Heat ghee in a pan on medium flame. 2. Add grated coconut and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell goes. 3. Pour in the condensed milk and mix well. 4. Cook the mixture on medium-low flame, stirring continuously. 5. Add cardamom powder and chopped dry fruits. 6. Cook until the mixture thickens and starts to leave the sides of the pan. 7. Let it cool slightly, but not fully cold. 8. Grease your hands with ghee and shape into small round lattice. 9. Roll the lattice in dry coconut optional. 10. Let them cool completely and store in an airtight container. Bookmark tips: if using desiccated coconut, you may sprinkle 1 to 2 tsp milk to moisten it before cooking. You can also add rose water or saffron for extra flavor.